this tutorial, you will learn how to rename a column, how to update a single item in a row, and how to drop one or more columns. You can create a new column by using the withColumn function. The first parameter is the new column name. The second parameter is the content of the column. You can use the function currentDate from PySpark.sql.functions. You can divide a column by a number. The type of the new column is detected automatically. When you define the second column, you can use the if-else style. This can be accomplished by using when otherwise methods. The first parameter of the when method is the condition. When method can use the Boolean values of a column, as you can see. The second parameter is the value that will be set if the condition is true. If condition from when is no true, you can use the otherwise method. This is similar to else. If you want to change just a single row from a column, use the when method to filter by a specific value, then use the otherwise method to set the value that already exists. This will result in an update to a single value and leave all the other values unchanged. Another way to rename a column is to use the method withColumn renamed. The first parameter is the old column. The second parameter is the new column name. You can chain the when method and otherwise. So if, for example, you want to do some logic, you can put the if condition here. Add some logic, then add more when conditions. If you want to change a list of values that are mapped like this, the first column contains the current values that you want to change, and in the second column, you have the new values. If your column type is an integer and you will be using string values, it won't work. Let me display first the column types. As you can see, this is the error. You can only update values that have the same type as your column type. A column can be easily dropped by using the drop method. You can drop more than a column by using a list. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you want, you can become my Patreon and you will gain access to tutorial files and more. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you want, you can become my Patreon and you will gain access to tutorial files and more.